Hey there, I'm Justin, the founder and CEO of Merchant, and in this video, we are going to talk about how you can add offers to your Google Business profile. And the reason that you want to do that is because adding an offer or a promotion to your Google Business profile will help you show up higher in search results for more search terms. And the reason for that is that Google wants to provide the most value possible to searchers when they're looking for businesses like yours. So they want to prioritize the businesses that are going to give their searchers something for free, whether it's something big or something small. They just want to give value to their users. And so the way that you can add an offer on your profile is pretty easy. So first, I'm going to talk about that way, and then we're going to talk about how you can fully automate this and make sure that you never forget to add an offer on your profile again. So let's do it through the Google Business Profile Management Dashboard. To start, you can find your Google Business profile in the search results just by looking at it while logged into the Google account that manages that Google Business profile. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a dashboard that looks like this. And what you're going to do is say add update. So offers actually live inside the update area, and we're just going to click this. It says add offer. So now what you need to do is come up with an image that you want to use for your offer. So what you would do is just drag and drop an image here, and then you'll come up with whatever offer title you might want to give. And so let's say that you're a pest control business and you don't want to give away that much. You could put something on like 5% first time customer discount, or you could do something like free assessment, just something that gets an offer on your profile, but doesn't really give away that much money. What you'll need to do is put in a start date and an end date, and you can do up to 1 year for the duration. So no matter what you set it as, you need to remember to then go and add a new one when this one expires. That way you always have an offer on your profile, unless you use the automated way that I'm going to show you after. And the next thing you can do is add more details. So if you want to add details about exactly what they're getting for this free assessment, you can write those here. So, you should add just a little description of what you're offering, and make sure to use keywords in this that are important to your business. So if you're a pest control business, you want to do something like looking for a pest control service near you, learn more about blah, blah, blah. And you want to then put in all of your different keywords. If you want them to have to give you a coupon code or they can redeem it online, then make sure to add that along with a link to redeem the offer. And then lastly, if you have terms and conditions for this kind of thing, then just put them in here. And this can be text or a link. So, yep. And then when you're done, what you do is say post, and then this will show up on your Google Business profile alongside all of your regular Google Business updates or posts, whatever you want to call them, down here or under the by owner section if you're looking on a mobile device. And then also it'll show up in search results. So that's how you add it the manual way. Now, let's say that you want to automate it and not worry about ever forgetting to have an offer on your profile. What you'll want to do is check out this product called Paige. It's something that can fully automate all of the Google Business Profile optimization that you need to do every single day to actually rank higher on Google Business profiles. I made a bunch of videos about how cool Paige is. So if you want to learn more, check out one of those videos. We'll put one above. And also you can go to merchant.com/Paige and you can see all of the really cool things that it does. But the feature that we're going to talk about here is specifically the ability to schedule offers. So here it says that we need to create an offer because we don't have one right now. And it's going to actually suggest, based on our type of business, some offers that we might want to publish. So here, we're just going to go with a free consultation. I'm going to click it, but you could put in something else if you don't like any of the ones that suggested. I'll say next. And now what it's going to do is fill out this entire section and look for an image that I can use from my profile to put this out quickly. So here you can see it came up with an image. If I want, I can create a new image with AI, or I can change the image to a different one. I can change the start date, the end date. You can see the description that it provided using our target keywords. And then, of course, you can add these other details if you want. And as soon as you're happy with it, you can just say approve, and it'll publish directly on your Google Business profile. And the even cooler thing is that when it's time to, when that one expires, if you set up one of their alerts, you can get notified when it's time to upload a new offer because the other one expired. So we'll recap it real fast. Adding offers is extremely important to rank higher on your Google Business profile and the local search results. You can do it manually through the Google admin portal, or you can do it using Paige. And if you like this video and want to learn all the new tips and tricks to rank your Google Business profile higher, then please like this video, comment below, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss our videos. Thanks so much.